Hello everyone. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll it in on itself. Add another rubber band to the middle section and then pull it through the top section as such. Divide the hair into two parts and then make a braid out of the left side to start off with. Now once you are braiding the hair, after that pin it up. Do the same on the right side as well, that is create a braid out of it, and after you're done with both the braids, begin to roll it up. Now taking the left side braid, insert it into the top section as such. Bring it through the other side. After you bring it through the other side, take the excess of it and once more tie it up at the base as such, and then use a rubber band to do so. Once you are done tying the rubber band, pin it up at the bottom. You may use a bobby pin in order to do so. This is what we have done as well. Add a decorative clip to the top of it. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Now take a rubber band in order to do so. Now roll the hair in on itself. Divide the bottom of the hair into two parts. Taking one section of the hair, that is we have started from the left side, pull it through the top right section that is present. After you pull it through, join it with the right section of the hair and then you may begin to make this design. After this, start off by tying a low ponytail on the right side, and after you are done with this, add another rubber band to the middle of it. Once you do this, roll it in on itself right in the middle section. After you have rolled it in on itself, you may fold it and then make it into a bun shape accordingly. Tie it up at the top and then make sure that there is no excess hair remaining on the outside. Pin it up as such. Once again, you may use a bobby pin in order to do so. This is what it should look like. You may use a multiple prong decorative pin to make it stay in its place. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. After this, you may roll the hair in on itself. Then, divide the hair at the bottom into two parts. Once you are done with this, begin to braid the left side of the hair. Make sure that this braid that you are making is firm and tight. After you have made this neat braid, you may make a braid on the other side of it as well. Tie a rubber band at the ends of both of these. Taking the left side braid, pull it through the right side section as such at the top. Do the same with the right side, however, on the left side top section. As for the excess amount of hair, tie it up at the bottom and then pin it up at the top. We have used bobby pins in order to do so. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, divide the bottom of the hair into two parts. After this, make a braid out of the left section to begin with, then do the right section. Take the left side braid and then pull it through the top. Pull it through the left side top itself and you need not make the alternative side. Now, as for the excess amount of hair, roll it in on itself after adding a rubber band at the bottom and then tie it up in place. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, divide the hair into two parts at the bottom, tie a rubber band to the base of it. Tie a rubber band to the other side as well. Now, divide this ponytail into two parts each and then add a rubber band to the middle of it. Roll each of these sections in on themselves and then pull it through the top as such. Take the excess and then tie it up and then pin it up to the top as such. Next, take a multiple prong pin, tie a ponytail out of the hair and pull this pin through the side as such. Now twist the hair accordingly and then change sides to make it the right side as such. After you have twisted the hair into a bun, fasten the hair in place. Add a rubber band to the end of it and then push it down using any kind of pin in order to make it stay in place. Thank you for watching.